Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan X-Trail. In this video I'll show you how to measure engine oil level. To measure engine oil level, firstly prepare cloth and then park your car on the flat surface and let it rest for 15 minutes. Thanks to this, the engine oil will flow down to reservoir. Now, take a look right here. Remove dipstick and then clean it. Place it back. Remove it again and measure engine oil level. It should reach the top dot. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.